In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gempages to Shopify. So let's jump right into this video. So here we are on Shopify. So what we're going to have to do here is here we're going to see apps, or you can also click on here and then here select apps. Then you're going to have to go to apps and sales channels settings. Then you're going to have to click on Shopify App Store. And then here we're gonna have to search here Gempages. All right, so Gempages landing page builder, build, customize, and optimize store pages for conversion. We're gonna click on this, and here we have Gempages. We just need to click on install. It's super easy to actually install Gempages. It's not the process is not complicated at all. I'm telling you, it's really easy. And you're just gonna click on install here. And now what you're gonna have to do on your theme here, not to your shop, you can click on customize. And here in app embeds, make sure this is enabled. Make sure Gempages it's enabled, and that's pretty much it. And now you'll be able to see the app here. So you can click on here on the app. You can also pin this app. If you want to see all the apps that you have, you can simply click on apps and sales channels, and then here we have the apps installed. You can see the app, but what I like to do here in the search bar, just write Gempages. If I have a hard time, let's say maybe I have multiple applications on Shopify, and Gempages is not the only app I have, and then to find the app that I'm looking for, just search here in the search bar, just type Gempages. And then here you can click on create a new page. Then let's say maybe I want a product page, and I can select from many different product pages available. And look, there's another page here. Well, I can start from scratch. Click on start from scratch, and now you can start from scratch. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.